Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, what we are doing this day is we have started the number और अब तक कितने नंबर कर चुके हैं? Let's have a quick revision started from number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So today is the turn of next number. What comes after 5? Shabbas. It's the number 6. Dear students, how number 6 look like? Let's see the number 6. Page number 17. This is number 6. And look like this. Let's trace the number 6 with your finger. Students, make a curve and close the gate. Number 6 is looking great. And now let's see the picture here. Page number 17. We see 6 lollipops. On page number 17, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Dear students, 6 को हम हाफ डजन भी कहते हैं. Dozen mean 12 lollipop. And when it's half of a dozen, we can say we have 6 lollipops. Lollipop is sweet.